In this video, I will show you how to turn on NFC on iPhone. So let's get started. NFC is automatically enabled on iPhone 13 and later models. But due to any reasons, if you are looking to manually turn on NFC tag reader, then follow these steps. First, open Shortcuts app. Shortcuts app is pre-installed with every iPhone. If you don't have Shortcuts app, then you can download it from App Store for completely free. Now tap Automation tab at the bottom. Next, tap New Automation. Now scroll down and you will find an option NFC. Just tap on it to open. Now tap Scan and now hold your iPhone near NFC tag. Just enter a name for your tag and then tap Add Action. NFC is primarily used for Apple Pay, but newer models can also be used for other contactless interactions. So that is how you can turn on NFC on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.